You see that gray hair? I promise you could see it right here. You see it? Oh my God, Becky. Oh my God.
Hey guys, we're back with another video.
See, that might be the intro. That might be it right
I'm
there.
in the car, y'all. Driving. I'm just like, I just got to watching All About Carmen. I don't know if y'all know who that is. She's a big YouTuber.
I know other people really go through it too, and people just don't speak on it. And because I'm a public figure, I'm an influencer, it's like a lot of stuff that I go through. It's not that I have to explain myself to y'all, but it's to more of like share that with y'all, because I know I can help a lot of y'all that go through the same thing, if that makes sense.
It's very touching. It made me cry. It made me also feel good, and I was proud of her, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of any woman that ever been through a situation like her, that you got out of it before something happened to you. I really commend that, because a lot of women, it's hard to get out of situations. We can all speak on it. We can all, if you done been through it, you can speak on it. If you haven't, you living a terrific life. Kudos to you. Everybody ain't found love. Everybody don't know what love is. Everybody don't know what love feels like. We only know how people hurt us. That's what a lot of us do know. I wonder if there was a poll on love and how people just misuse you. I wonder what will be the ranking, like, percent in that. It's crazy. And it'll probably be, the misuse will probably be more higher than the people in love. That's what I think. But maybe I could be wrong. I don't know the world. I wish I did know the world. I can't speak on everybody, but people that's in love and get like honest relationships and loyalty, and they trustworthy and all that. Boy, one day I'll get there, hopefully before I turn 50. I get that. But if y'all haven't watched her story, y'all need to go ahead and watch that story. I'm gonna talk about it a little bit, like not a lot about. I'm not gonna talk about their situation, but I'm gonna talk about, because I don't know I don't know Carmen. I know her by YouTube. I've been watching them since I lived in Texas. So it's been a while since I've been watching them though. And like, I knew Carmen when she was a little Carmen. They had no kids and stuff. And so now she's a grown woman, and so many women are looking up to her. Men too, probably looking up to her, you know. And she done did so much for people. I remember she sent me a message before on Instagram DM, and I just kept it. I gotta go back and find it. Hopefully I find it. I don't know. I mean, hopefully it's somewhere in the back. It's like years ago she sent the message back. That's how long it been. And a lot of people, like, you would think, like, since they so big and they famous and this and that, like, they don't reach out. Yeah, they do. They actually really do. Some people I would never, like, oh no, they're not reaching out to me. Some people will reach out to you. You'd be like, wow, it's amazing. But people got time for it and to reach out to you and give you positive feedback on stuff. And I've had a couple YouTubers, Dino 10K, he's very positive. That's who pushed me to do my YouTube channel. I know it's crazy. I used to watch him all the time, because his mama remind me of my grandma, you know what I'm saying, that rests in heaven. She remind me of her, like, the things she say, my grandma would say the same thing. So if y'all ever watch Dino 10K, like, he's real cool, like, for real. And I most definitely used to reach out to him, but I felt like I didn't want to keep reaching out to him and thinking like I had questions. After I started YouTube, like, now I got questions. Like, what is this? He's a big timer YouTuber, so I'm like, nah, I ain't gonna ask them and about all that, about this and that. Like, I'm gonna figure it out myself, and I did. So I got in a community with smaller YouTubers, and I was just following whatever they was doing. I was just doing what they was doing and learning from them, you know. Because I wasn't doing pranks and stuff like that. Stuff that he was doing on his channel, I wasn't doing that stuff. But he was just real cool to talk to. Justin Brand. Brand is so cool. I don't know if y'all seen Brand. She is so motivational. She is so sweet. Like, just to have messages back from her. It was years ago. She told me, like, what to do on my YouTube to put the pitch. Like, she helped me out too. And these are YouTubers. Like, look how many subscribers they get. Look at this, look at that, and they still doing their thing. Just to bring out another whole channel going on. What? I'm proud of them. I haven't even been watching YouTube like that, but I'm proud of them too. I'm proud of a lot of people that just keep pushing in the smaller YouTube. Like, I'm so proud of Eating with Swag. I'm so proud of Tay Eats. Cooking with Neds. Oh my gosh, Friday's Kitchen. It is so many people. Ariana Mache, Mika Life. Like, everybody is keep like pushing. Everybody is pushing. There's so many other YouTubers. Like, it's so many names. Like, I want to say shout out to all y'all that's keep pushing. Because YouTube is the hardest thing. I thought, well, building a house is hard. If I didn't know how to build a house, that'd be hard too. But just doing this and being a YouTuber and trying to date and be in relationships is the hardest thing. I don't even know if I could do a YouTube if I'm in a relationship with somebody. Like, it's crazy. I don't know. I don't see myself doing that. Because he would have to, like, most definitely match my energy. Like, we have to be the same. And I don't know if somebody the same as me. I mean, it probably is. It's so many people out here in the world. It most definitely is. But it's crazy. And then everybody that's out here pushing, like, pushing. I want to say She Have It All TV. She Have It All TV. I don't even know if she's gonna even watch this video. I don't even know. Like, I know that me and her need to go ahead and probably send her a message. Like, I'm so proud of her. Her platform has grown. Like, she kind of do, like, she do hauls, she do vlogs now. She do a lot of stuff like that. But it's the whole point of, we kind of do the same thing, but I do it different than her. And I always was like, dang, how does she get more views than me? And how do this and how do that and how? It's like, stop asking why and how. Just do it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, she is such an influence to me. Okay? To me. And at first, I used to think I was everybody else's influence. But no, because Keisha's not always happy. Keisha got her down moments. Keisha's been depressed for like 6-7 months. It's time for Keisha to get out here and get it. Stop locking myself in. I don't know how long I'll be on this earth. I don't know how long that God is going to keep me here. So while I'm here, I'm gonna leave a statement. When I leave this world, they're gonna be like, "Oh, that was Keisha." Or when I was in school, they called me Ty Keisha. So it's like, or Ty, or Keep, whatever you want to say, like a QueenKey83, my auntie Michelle, and my auntie Melon too. But myself, my auntie Michelle, no matter what she's going through, she always be the one that's calling, texting. Melon texts all the time too. But Michelle is more of a motivation. She is really like a challenging person. So I know that my cousins, Cameron and Kayla, I know that they are like, they should be happy they got a mother like her. Because she keep you going. And Kayla, my cousin, she's into like art and all types of stuff like that, and taking pictures, and she's a photographer. She's doing it big. Like, I don't know why I ain't collab with my cousin to do like a big intro for me. Because why? It takes money for that stuff. It takes money to do a lot of stuff. And I'm still living. I'm still trying to get into the house that I'm renting. I didn't say own, that I rent. I'm trying to get that fixed up so I can be comfortable in the house. I'm trying to get a lot of things together, but like, when is it comfortable? Like, I don't know. I don't have money from the trees, and then from YouTube, I don't get paid like that from YouTube. I have had a few checks, you know, I have, but it's not what you think. It's not what you think. And the only reason why I had them few checks because I had my members. You know what I'm saying? I used to do lingerie hauls. Men love to see me. Women love to see me. And that's when I had an audience more of men on my channel. And that is my rank. I have more men on here than women. And I'm cool with that. Like, oh well, they need to see a chunky. I'm here for that. But now it's like, not rebranding my channel, but trying to figure out like, dang, am I trying to do a new audience? I'm trying to get the same ones back. What do I want to do for myself? I love my lingerie house. I'm going to continue to have that for members only. That's only going to be for members only. That's not going to be for all the other subscribers. For members only. I got it down for like it's $2.99 for a member. For exclusive, well, oh well, because you should have got over. For exclusive members, it's going to be $9.99. You can see a lot right there, right there. You know, a lot right there, right there. This is who I am. I got my good days. I got my bad days. Y'all gonna see it all here, uncut, raw. This is me. Why hide it? You gonna see it anyway. Okay, so it is my relax time. And I'm about to eat some Taco Bell right here on my bed. I should not be eating in my room. Y'all see through. He posted, he ready. But I'm finna watch on BET Plus, The Family Business. I'm on my last episode. It is a twist. I'm gonna be quiet because a lot of y'all probably ain't seen it or have seen it. I cannot believe this. Y'all need to watch it. Yeah, for real. So let me go ahead and finish watching this last episode. I'll get back with y'all in one moment. Maybe in about 2 hours. Okay. Okay, it's been that 2 hours and I'm back with y'all. I done took the thing off my head and I done finished watching the episode. It was so good. Now I'm up. I'm going to do my clothing haul video. It'll be, I don't know if this is going to come out before that or after that. I don't want to speak on it because I don't know when they coming out. But that's what I'm about to get ready for now. So I'm about to go ahead and take a shower, wash my hair, and get ready to try on these clothes. And I got to cook some red beans and rice today. For the put y'all, when I'm in the kitchen, my ring, I need to get different ring lights and ring lights set up. That's what I need to do too. I'm getting all my stuff because I was in here washing dishes. Like, I don't know if this is going to sit up with this big old. Oh, okay. Look at this cup doing some justice. Okay, it is going to sit up. So we can finish talking. I was in a car and I was talking about the Corey, Carmen and Corey. Have y'all seen that? The episode. Like, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to pop it up on the screen somewhere so y'all can go see that. Because if y'all done been in a relationship that's mentally, physically, or anything like that, like dating and stuff like that, men be like, oh, I don't want no hurt girl. I don't want no hurt woman. Somebody that got something that's hurt. We don't want no crazy men. So if we come into, like, you have a chance with somebody, so you can't say who's hurt and why they hurt. You just don't bring up girls' relationship. Whatever you done been through, let that go. If you're dating, like, if I'm dating someone, I'm speaking on me, I'm not going to bring up my past. Because what we talking about? We talking about the future. We're not going backwards, right? So that's what it's about. And if you've been in situations like that, or you've been hurt like that before, you kind of know that. But really, do we know that? We act like we don't know that sometimes. Me being as strong as I am as a woman, I'm very weak at times. I'm very weak. I'm very soft-hearted. People will take my kindness for weakness. And it's a lot of that going on. Like, it's a lot. But, like I said, I'm up watching this. About to get ready to do some red beans and rice. I got to put my smoked sausage on. And let me stop talking, because I done told y'all a lot today. I done stay in a car with y'all. I done talked to y'all. I have told y'all a lot about me. About a little bit with, like, what I've been through. Just a little bit. And, like, what made me start getting into YouTube. Because there's a lot of people out here that are like, I'm not even a YouTuber. I'm just a person that watch you, girl. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that subscribed to my channel, that's even watching what I'm doing. And I'm going to do better. But I don't know exactly, like, how I'm going to do my channel. I don't know if people want to see more vlogs. Some people do like vlogs, but I don't go nowhere. That's why I don't want to do no vlog, because I don't go nowhere. I go to work and back. I'm about to start going to places now, but it's not going to be like every day. So then when I'm a vlog, me watching TV, I can't vlog when I'm at work. So I used to be able to do that, but not no more. So I'm like, what? And then in my little part-time job, I'm really not vlogging that. Oh no. So I'm just trying to think, like, what? what's my next move? I'm boiling get my water ready for my rice. I can boil some water. So that's what I'm doing. Turn that down. Get that water hot. So I'm about to put that on and I'm about to go in there and take a shower like I said. And I'll be back with y'all in a little bit. Cause I look like this. A whole mess. But just wait a second, boo. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready. I just put my hair in a little bumpty boom. It's up there. The back is cool, I hope. You see nothing but neck, nothing but head. This song always come on when I'm about to get ready for something. What is it telling me?
Everything I'm going away once you get some dick. You do shit on purpose to get my attention, I know. No cap.
No cap.
Stand up my past, I ain't got no regrets. Got a real nigga with some bomb ass.
My songs be coming out like crazy. Like, they come on. Can you be my peace? Can be my stress relief? Okay, I'm gonna try to do my lashes. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we gonna see. Girl, no, I'm busy. I got things to do. Whatever, you probably gonna go be later. Struggle.
Yeah, I feel like I'm missing out on being a girly girl, like with the lashes and all of that. But at least it's the lashes that do come off in the day, though.
Looks crazy that it fast. Look, I think this one go on this side. I think I got it. I got it in though, y'all. I did that.
Wanna fuck on you. Wanna fuck on you.
Okay, so I don't know. I was like, what is it doing? My phone is tripping. I don't really know. This is me setting up my video, getting it ready. And this is the outfit that I got from Fashion Nova, which I love. It's so cute. It's so sexy on me. I like this ponytail. I like my lashes. I might have to switch it up when I go outside sometimes, okay? But I was just showing y'all a glimpse of like what I do to get ready sometimes for videos. But it's like my phone is like, is it following me? It looks like my phone is following me, but it's really in one spot. I think I'm ready to go to sleep. I am. But I forgot to let y'all know. Oh my God, I just talked too much. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey. This was a short little vlog. Get ready with me. If I could do a video / venting in a car / go watch all about Carmen having this video, okay? Like, it is a lot went on here. This video, I hope it ain't too long, but let me stop talking. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, y'all, and I'm out. This is crazy. I do so many videos in a day, but this video has been like long should have been put out. Okay, I'm out, y'all.